Neil again. In the previous video, we saw how we write work instructions in Ion. Now I'm going to show how to schedule those operations out in your factory via runs. With this procedure, you can see that we're in draft, but in version 2 was already released out in production. You can only create a work order or a run based on a release procedure. On the top right, where it says runs, you can click on it, and you can see that 5 different work orders are currently out on the production floor linking to this process. 4 of them are currently in progress, and 1 of them has failed. This is a really good view if you want to do a deep dive into an individual ticket. However, this Gantt chart view is actually better suited for hardware manufacturing because you can understand your various lead times and your production schedule. Here you can see all the runs on your production floor, and you can filter by the individual and by timeline, and also by the status. You can understand if you're ahead schedule, behind schedule, and you can dynamically manipulate your schedule on the fly. If you want to conduct a deep dive into any one of these, you can click on it, click on Go to Run, and you have a heads-up display or an engineering report on where everything is, who is working on it, the various statuses of the different steps, and also how long it actually took. In the next episode, I'll show how you can schedule out these operations to individual technicians and how they can execute it as well. Thank you.